Today we're gonna talk about one of the most exciting and best Windows apps I've recently encountered, FilePilot. FilePilot aims to be a file explorer replacement, which is faster and overall just better and more intuitive. I've personally used it the last few months and I'm in love with it. This video is not some sort of advertisement, I'm really that excited about this product. It's also no overstatement that it's faster. Just look at this comparison to Windows Explorer. I will show you some of my favorite features in this video. But first, how do you install it? You can install it from filepilot.tech. The public beta is free, later it will cost. In the installer you have the option to set FilePilot as the default explorer. The installer then goes seamlessly into the FilePilot experience, which I find highly impressive. Now to the features. First thing is definitely the customizability of the layouts. You can have multiple tabs, split vertically and horizontally. It is then possible to save and load these layouts. I personally have a YouTube layout that automatically opens all relevant folders in different tabs. Then the customizability in the options. You can choose between different themes, the new tab location, which also can be set to the same location that you currently have open. And you can export all your options to other computers via a command in the command palette that you can bring up with Ctrl+Shift+P. The command palette is also my next favorite feature. Just type what you want to do without long searching for where can I customize this. Then searching by starting to type a name. If you're in the folder, just start typing what you search and it will filter all your results. By pressing enter, it opens the file without having to leave the search field. I really find myself using this feature quite often. My last but not least favorite feature is expand folder, which can be activated pressing the icon in the search field. This includes all files of all subfolders in the current view and can be used to find files in subfolders. As this product is still in public beta, it of course has some problems. I personally encountered two issues. First of which is if you use a keyboard with a USB hub and unplug and replug the USB hub, sometimes the keyboard stops working. I really can't find the root cause for this issue. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works for a month and then next month it doesn't work again. Yeah, this issue is a bit annoying for myself, but just closing and reopening FilePilot always fixes the problem. And second thing is FilePilot is not able to navigate through devices that don't map to drive letters, like for example my Samsung phone. For this I still have to use the Windows File Explorer. If you are as excited as I am, try it out and leave a comment under this video with your opinion on it. Leave a like if you liked this video and subscribe so you don't miss other tech tips. And see you next time.